Kobe from KC Trades, and we're going to be talking to you guys about anything stock related or cryptocurrency related. We're going to be getting into Bitcoin as well and talk about what him and his channel think about where Bitcoin is headed. So we're going to wait a minute or two and see if we get some people to join up. The title of the video was going to be, what were we going to name it? People are going to join up soon. Hopefully.
Ripped. We're getting ripped. John, you know, you're the only bodybuilding stock trading YouTuber right now. You know that?
I think I am. I mean, there's crypto traders and there's bodybuilding channels. I think this is the only one that combines both bodybuilding and fitness knowledge with investing. A few people will join. They'll join.
Yeah.
We have a few loyal members that are going to probably join up soon. Remember, guys, Kobe's channel, I'm going to put a link to it in this video, or in the description of the video. It should work. Save. We could get a new thumbnail. That's a good thumbnail. Okay. Maybe nobody is joining up today. We'll see. Come on, guys. You see how hard this is as a job.
Yeah.
This is my career. It's not easy. So we'll wait for a few people to join up. We're going to be interviewing the king from KC Trades. It always takes a little bit. And you can look at the performance.
Oh, wow.
As it's happening, which is right now it's basically 0. But it'll be funny how it changes and it won't be 0. Or let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. Oh shit, it's down.
I saw we're down. I saw.
It's 112.
You know, it gets into that trend, and it's hard to.
Come on, it's hard
to stop it.
Yeah, right now Bitcoin it's moving down to 112,700, and when things are bullish and everything's great, it can just keep on going and going. But when things get bearish, that's when fear sets in, and you can see some of these big sell-offs happen very quickly. Sometimes these investments will climb their way up, and then they'll fall pretty quick, give up a lot of their gains, and then you'll see a whole new group of buyers and more buyers coming back into it. So I look at a dip as a good thing.
Can they see what you see right now?
No.
If I flip the camera,
we can show them the price of Bitcoin.
Yeah, flip it real quick.
Bitcoin. Keep it straight up.
Keep it straight?
Yeah, cuts the video off, I think. Found that out.
Okay.
There's Bitcoin right now. 112. All right. Let's go back. Come on. Who's in here? Mitchellsburg. All right. We got one person. Sometimes we get 20, 30, 40. Sometimes usually it's never this low. But Kobe, what do you like to do whenever you see a dip?
I'm a buyer. I'm a buyer, especially Bitcoin.
That's how you are. You always
I'm a buyer. I'm looking at the chart right now. I know it's coming back. Just keep buying and buying and buying and buying. Slowly. I never pile in all my money at one time. I go in pieces, every Every $1,000 Bitcoin falls from here, I'm going to throw a couple grand into it. And then it falls another grand, I throw a couple more grand into it, a couple more grand into it. Then when it makes its reversal back up, it doesn't take, I'm not that far away. My average isn't that far away. It could come back to 113 and go on the uptrend, and I'm already at my average.
Yep. That's exactly what I try to teach these guys, is to buy the dips. Don't be afraid.
Now, the problem is you're going to keep buying this dip, and it's going to get more extreme than you want it to. By the time it gets back to your average, you're going to be like, oh, I'm so tired of it. Just get me out. I was already down a couple $1,000s in my Bitcoin. You hop out the first second you can, and then you watch it rip right past your thousands, and then all of a sudden you took a small profit because you just wanted to get the hell out, and it turns into a big one that you missed out on. Exactly. Which has happened to me plenty of times.
It's happened to me as well. You got to really have strong convictions when you're going to become a cryptocurrency holder, or whenever you decide on a position, you got to be very convicted and not be scared. All right, you got to double down. Whenever I've been scared and I've doubled down, I've made the most money. And I'm sure you've had the same experience.
Sellers.
Yeah, you get a lot of panic selling, and don't become one of the people that are panic selling. All right. I convinced my life savings into Iraq diner. I am going to be okay in the long run. I would not invest in another country like Iraq. FOMO, panic sellers, facts. Yeah. Mr. Open to the moon.
I saw that. You know, they got rid of the CEO.
Open stock?
Yeah.
Oh,
that
really?
lady. Because I follow Eric Jackson because of the Bitcoin miners. I've always been a big in TerraWolf, Iron, Cypher, you know. Then he recommended Open, saw it, started ripping.
And right now it's at $3.55.
Yeah.
Wow, it is ripping right now. I would be weary about how high it could go here. I'd be cautious. I don't know what you would have to say about that, but I'd definitely be cautious right here. But there's no telling what will happen.
Right.
Any kind of news could surprise or startle the markets and make it go higher. We are doing the moonshot God candles inbound. I'm holding 1,000 shares at $3.55. You just bought it? You just bought this thing. And
possibly.
I like that, though. He's taking a risk. He's taking a shot at success. And I hope it pays off for him. I don't know what kind of metrics you look at, Kobe, but it looks like they're cash flow positive. Or, well, I don't know. Maybe not.
They have a lot of debt. I'll say that. But it could. I'm not
income is
overly negative. Optimistic, but I think it could double from here if things work out.
He bought it at $3.85 and he sold it for $4.20. Nice. $4.20. That's a good round number. Like the video. This is a tough job, isn't it? Bought post market at $3.60ish. Got in at $1.90. Okay. You guys want to ask any questions? I don't have a huge audience right now.
Oh.
But silver is down right now. That sucks. It's down to $37.28. And I think silver.
I believe the futures are down. Type in, go to Google, or go to, just type in. Here, can I do it? Click that. Yep. ES equals F.
The futures market for the S&P 500 is down. So, we got 7 viewers in here. Guys, like the video. We're interviewing Kobe from KC Trades, and please join his channel. The link to his channel is in the video. All right, it's in the description of the video. But yeah, the markets look to be going down. Whenever I want to see the futures, I just go to Market Watch, and then I just they have a futures button right here. It looks like the Dow is down. It's beginning to fall. even though we were at record highs. I stack silver every week when I go to the grocery store. I spend the same on 10-ounce bars. Okay, I don't really understand what you do, but you definitely stack 10-ounce bars. So 20 ounces a month. You're buying 20 ounces of silver a month. That's about $800 a month. That's a lot of silver. So oil is basically flat. Market's $800 a month in silver. That's good for you, man. Accumulate silver, accumulate Bitcoin is probably going to be good for the future. What do you think about $1,000 in groceries? You must have a huge family. $1,000 in groceries. Copper crash, what happened? I think they put tariffs on copper and then they took them off. So everybody thought copper was going to skyrocket, but then the tariffs didn't affect it or something. So copper was going crazy and then it crashed. What that really your van on fire?
Was your van on fire? Is it on fire?
No, that's not my van. I'll show you the video. I'll show Kobe.
Sure.
Kobe from KC Trades the video.
All of this stuff on the inside too.
It was at my job.
Oh, a burger?
Yeah,
I'm gonna keep on to get back there.
the van just started on fire.
Jeez.
No, that was not my van. But I would appreciate a like on the video. Anyhow, okay? Jesus Rodriguez is in here. This
Jesus is here? Holy shit.
This is Kobe from KC Trades. He's one of my buddies that I trade stocks with occasionally. We exchange ideas about stocks. If you want to join his channel, he doesn't have a lot of subscribers yet, but you can join his channel. And I think if enough people join, it's going to encourage him to make more videos. So Jesus, would you please join his channel?
Sure.
If you're the one guy I think I can count on that's gonna I don't know what everyone else is gonna do. So that was not my van. I have an 8-foot truck bed full of copper from remodels. That's a good investment.
Wow.
You're gonna save it or you're gonna trade it in. At this point, I would save it because of how far copper just fell right now. I would just keep it, put it in a safe spot. You know, that's a lot of copper. I would wait till the price goes back up. Drinking a bubbly. We don't drink alcohol on this channel. Okay, we're all about health. So, do you have any questions about stocks? Anybody? Well, we are in the presence of KC Trades. Questions about Bitcoin, especially. Because on his channel, he's really into Bitcoin or penny stocks. Any questions about penny stocks? PSTV. You ever hear that? Plus, therapeutics. These are very popular with the penny.
One I don't know about. I've heard of it.
Penny stock investors love these kind of stocks. And it looks like the chart does not look good. These types of things, you can never predict what these companies will do because they could come out with a cure for something or they could just blow everybody's money in search of that cure. So it's kind of you got to do a lot of research on these ones. PSTV, okay. I'm going to write that down just because I write down all the stocks that are suggested to me now because people started doing that and then they skyrocketed.
Yeah, no, write that down. I've never seen it.
I've never heard of that one, but maybe I'll look into that a little bit more.
I will say it looks like unless it gets a pump here, it's going to have to reverse split. But
yeah.
Jesus
says he'll sub to your channel if you are interested in Pepe coin.
Oh, man.
Shit.
I'm not the biggest into the meme coins. That's the problem. I like Bitcoin.
He has owned Shiba Inu before. But he does not
I took my profits.
He took his profit. He does not own Pepe. But if you join his channel, we'd still appreciate it, Jesus. This guy sold it 80 cents. Oh, he already sold it. We was getting consistent 20% gains weekly. Pepe coin shot, let's go. Pepe moonshot, yeah. I'm into Pepe. Jesus Rodriguez is into Pepe. But KC Trades is not. But what is it? Yeah, who knows? I would say most likely stay away from it. Unless there's a huge... Yeah. Most likely stay away. 7 viewers. Come on, guys. Yeah, the futures are down. It's not really moving much. Bought my truck that's broke down now with Dogecoin years ago during the early rally before the crash. This guy bought his truck with Dogecoin. Can you screen share SOXSXOXL? Well, that's the semiconductor ETF. It's one of the popular ETFs that has it's 2 or 3 times leveraged. These are extremely risky investments. SOXS is the opposite of SOXL. They're complete opposites, okay? Now it's broke down and I'm starting aluminum rims. So SOXL, I know that's up to like 23 bucks or something like that. I just want to see 26 bucks. This is a Piper leveraged semiconductor ETF. And who the hell knows? It's in no man's land right now. But I would expect, I'm bullish on SOXL right now, but I don't own it. Nor do I want to. I think there's other places to be, but I think it's good. It's good. I day trade, he day trades them. Okay. You probably buy them both at the same time. But yeah, it's going to go one way or another. Just jump on board, you know? That's a good strategy to day trade those ones. Oh, yeah. Roast your friend up. There's water buffalo.
What do you got for me?
I don't roast people. DEFN.
Look it up.
DEFN. Which one is it? Defense metals? It's got to be defense metals, right? Because there's 2. It looks like there's another one. Defense metals. It's at 21 cents right now. Is that the right one? Are they making any money? Maybe not. Who knows? I don't know right now. It looks like they're losing money, but I don't know. Defense ETF. DEFN. DEFN. All right. Swiss Global. Okay, I think this is the one he's talking about right here. Looks like it just came out. It just came out. 3x defense bull. That's pretty cool, but you know, these things are kind of hard to predict. Maybe there's going to be a lot more war, and if that's the case, this is probably a good investment. But these things are almost always invested into the futures, and they're going to decay over time. My bad. You can, yeah. He wants us to invest in the defense ETF.
Yeah.
It just came out. I would say
I'm not too familiar with stocks that just come out. I like to wait a little bit before I touch them.
I never get into the defense stocks like the Northrop Grumman or whatever the hell. I heard about Kratos Self Defense, and that when that was $20, and that one skyrocketed. It's up to like 50 something now. So that's one that has already gone up a lot. KTOS. But yeah, look at the holdings. Check out the UEC. I see a dip. Talking about Uranium Energy Corp. I think out of these three, what would you buy? Toshi, Moodring, or KeyCat? I wouldn't buy any of those. Those are all meme coins.
What are those? Jeez. Oh, man.
Those are all meme coins. I've heard of Toshi and Mooding. I don't think I ever heard of KeyCat. It's like Keyboard Cat, a meme based on the Keyboard Cat. I would not invest in that personally. We're up to 12 viewers, just so you know.
Now, what's the difference?
13 viewers.
Tell me what is the difference between a Shiba and that?
Shiba Inu, I think, is on a whole nother level. It's more popular. It's more well-known. It's been around longer. The community is more established. It's just more legitimate. But Toshi's been around a long time. I don't know. It's crazy. What I do is I just buy as many different ones as I can. Buy Pepe coin, then buy some more. Tell your buddy to flex his pecs.
Yeah. Yeah.
There are levels to the meme game. There's levels to the meme game. Yes. Just like Jesus Rodriguez says. There's different levels. SBET. SBET stock. Are you using ChatGPT or something?
No.
Oh. SBET. $18. $160 million shares in the float. Sharp Link Gaming. Well, let's read the overview on them. SharpLink Gaming Inc. is an online performance-based marketing company which engages in the provision of online platform facilities and sports betting. Connects with sports fans, leagues, sports websites to relevant and timely sports betting. There was other sports betting company that you were into. Are you still into that one?
Which one?
The sports betting company? What was that called?
Supergroup, right?
Oh, really?
Supergroup, SGHC, I believe. Yeah.
I thought there was another one.
No, that would be it.
Okay. That was over 2 years ago. Let's see what the price of Supergroup is. $11. Oh, it's gone up. Jeez. It's gone up from.
Where's it at now?
It's climbing.
11. Yeah, it's ripping. That's ripping now.
I remember back in the day that was a lot lower. Yeah. Supergroup. That's one of the first stocks. Yeah. Wolf. This guy says Wolf with an O. Crazy how our algos push different. Did you have King Cobra coin? What's up? WOLF. Wolf Speed. That's a real stock.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's really went down a lot. Jeez. Are you kidding me? That thing tanked. Wolfspeed is an innovator of wide band gap semiconductors focused on silicon carbide and gallium nitride materials and devices for power and radio frequency applications. Products are targeted for various applications such as electric vehicles, fast charging, 5G, renewable energy and storage, aerospace defense. I don't know if they have any good products or what. I have no idea. But they're making money. They have but they're only losing 191 million. They could be headed for a reverse split. Just look at that. Look at it, how much it went down.
You should check out CoreWeave. CoreWeave has been dipping. They, I believe, the 6 months or however long it is has passed since it IPO'd and the insiders can start selling. Look at the. Can you get a 1 week chart on that? Yeah, 5 day. Look at that.
I know it's been dropping a lot.
Yeah.
CoreWeave. That could be a buy. It's really been dipping. Don't sleep on Crow. I think he's talking about a cryptocurrency. Kronos. His algorithm and immune are similar. Do you like Seven Deuce the rapper? No, I don't listen to that. Big balling. Are we prepping for OF collab? Vroom vroom piggy guy. What's the link you guys will be doing?
Yeah.
These guys are always playing funny jokes. Look at my last ticker, CRWV. Yeah, I found out about CoreWeave when it was like 40 or 50 bucks. My one buddy told me at work, yeah, when it was like 35. And then it like skyrocketed as soon as he told me about it. That was unbelievable. My buddy told me about this like right here.
Yeah, right.
I didn't buy it.
No, you were too scared to buy.
Yeah,
it's not that you didn't buy. You were too scared.
Yeah, I didn't know
That's
what
all.
the hell it was.
That's all.
I was too scared to put up the money on something I didn't even that just came out. It could have been.
I gotcha.
Oh yeah. The people that knew about it were they knew about it before it was released on the New York Stock Exchange.
Yeah.
I didn't know about it back then, so I had no idea, no clue about what it would do. But it's done well for people. Oh yeah. And Palantir was down today. Palantir Technologies is down about almost 3%. GameStop, see where that's at. $22.77 for GameStop. Who knows where this is going to go? I don't have any idea. I think they own a lot of Bitcoin.
A couple.
Supposedly they have a lot. If it's true, then it's going to trade alongside of Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes up. GME is going to probably go up a lot too. But I don't think anyone knows how much Bitcoin they really have. They're trying to keep it a secret, I believe. And who knows? Who knows? Why do you guys sound like you're discussing Pokemon cards? The Terminator stock Palantir bought that dip at 80 because the connections. GME Silver Treasury. What? GME Silver Treasury? I don't know what you mean by that. Intel is at 25 bucks. Pretty much right around where it always is. The family's brother can barely read. Was timed out by Jesus Rodriguez for 86 seconds. One of my moderators blocked somebody. Are your parents cousins? No. We're two different guys. We got two different YouTube channels. You can get to his channel in the description of my videos. Click on his channel and just go check it out. He's got some good stock videos on there. All right, guys. So you guys got to be thinking about getting rich, making money all the time. Right now, the price of Shiba Inu, 40122. Still way down here at the most basic, boring levels ever. It looks like it's just a terrible thing, and that's why you have to buy it. Looks like it's going to be dead forever. But that's what they want you to think. Shiba Inu.
So I'm doing my fantasy draft over here in the corner right now.
I hope you win. Can you screen share to stream? Show us charts and such. Charts and such, I don't have that feature set up. But mainly you want to be focused on accumulation right now. The charts are not super important. You want to be focused on buying more cryptocurrencies, more gold and silver, and I think more stocks. I'm still bullish on this market. Even though I think a crash is coming, I'm still bullish right now. So yeah. I don't know what you think. You think you're bullish right now as well?
I am. We're going to be good. A little patience.
Yes.
No panic selling. You're going to be fine.
Yeah, I'm not panic selling anything right here. I have not sold any crypto or any stocks in like the past few months. Nothing.
Really?
I've just been buying. Yeah. I'm just accumulating.
No, you just got to know when it's a little bit ahead of itself. Don't be afraid to take a little, buy a little back.
Yeah.
Once it dips back down.
Don't be afraid to take a little profit when the market is really hot. But right now, it's just going through a little bit of a dip. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones, because the Dow has not actually dipped, really.
No, it did not today.
Why did the Dow not dip at all? It's just the tech that's dipping. See this? We're still like at an all-time record high almost. What? Look at that. That's crazy. Right there. That's a quadruple top. It's going to go higher. If it's bouncing up against, if the Dow Jones is bouncing up against,
it's
45.
It's been going high for the last 100 years.
There's
no stop. There's no stop. That's why I don't even watch CNBC anymore when they say, are we at a top? Is it over? It's all BS, to be honest with you. All right? Just hold. All that does, watching that, is invoke fear, is what I've learned.
Oh, yeah.
So don't even bother doing it to begin with.
They want you to become fearful, too, so you sell.
They do.
Because
you're selling, they're buying, because they know in the long run they're going to make a lot of money, and they want all they can get.
Yep.
They're buying every Bitcoin they can right now because they know with 10 years, they have the time, they have the money.
Even if we do go through a dip, they're willing to sustain it.
Exactly.
If that big dip ever comes. Bitcoin is still in a raging bull market right now. It really is. Will you make me a mod? I thought I already did. My favorite stocks are Boring, NOK, and PGE. Boring, NOK, and PGE. What was that one I just looked up? That what was that one that I was just looking up? The one that was like way down? I forget what that one was. VIX, he says.
Was it VIX?
No. Fact check it. I don't know what that one was. LFG. Let's go. Let's go, Water Buffalo. This is Kobe from KC Trades. So please check out his YouTube channel.
Mod gang.
Let's go. He's a moderator, so he can block anyone that's like says anything bad. VIXY.
Oh, is that what he can do?
VIXY. I already know.
Vixie.
That's going to be something based off of volatility.
ProShare short-term futures ETF.
It's charts on-
I don't know. That chart doesn't tell you what it is. That's a little. You got me with that. I don't know. I don't like that.
It's
Yeah,
got-
yeah.
Thing loses value over time. Yeah, I don't buy that. I wouldn't look into that. I would be looking at the UVXY, but I don't think we're near any time to buy that. I don't think the big dip is coming right now. So I'm not buying that. Not financial advice. KC better buy Pepe or I'll time him out. He's not in here right now.
Yeah, he can't time me out.
You can't time him out because he's not actually on here. Yes, UVIX is what I would prefer, but I'm not buying that right now. I want to buy options on that if the market gets way too overvalued. That's going to be killer deal if you can do it, if you can trade it, or you'll lose a lot of money. There's so many different things you can invest in, guys.
Yeah. Come on now. See, I got the form going. I got the tan. You clearly haven't been outside enough. It's summer. Get that farmer's tan going.
Yeah, I got to get a tan. But yeah, 10 viewers. See, what I could do is I could probably pay money and we'd get a lot more viewers, but that would... What the heck? Best investments we make is with our time. The weekend is going to be a beach day here. Nice. Ever been to Tahoe? No. I've heard of a Chevy Tahoe, but I've never been to Tahoe. So, no. Best investments we make is with our time. All right, guys. We only got 8 people in here.
Yeah. I think it's a good time to call it for the night.
We only had 78 views all day.
Yeah.
All right. So, guys, remember to join his channel.
I mean, I'm the expert here, right?
Yeah.
Come on now.
The expert KC Trades. Join his channel.
I'll tell you a fact. I told you I've gone from 20,000 to 150,000 from April until now.
Yeah.
So I was almost done. Tariffs really shot me. Last hope, I don't do options unless I really, really have to. I thought we were at the bottom. Took my last 20,000, rolled it all in, and was able to get back in the game.
See,
So-
just from one high risk trade, you can get way back in the game, 150 grand from one shot, one stock. So
Exactly.
I'm so glad
Yeah.
I'm glad you're
Yeah.
back in the game. Glad you're back trading. If
It's
you
good
want
to
to
be
learn,
back.
if you want to learn from him, join up with his channel, KC Trades. I think he's going to be putting out a lot more videos, hopefully in the future. But that's crazy how you can trade options and make that much money.
We got one more. Let's look at that one. Let's KULR. Look it up.
Was timed out. You can't.
Oh, you can?
Maybe he said something bad. Message was removed.
What's that one? KULR. Did we look at that?
We both giver than Lynn Alden. You're both. Oh, he said you're both the G word. That's why Water Buffalo banned it.
No. Oh yeah.
See, Water Buffalo. He knows what he's doing.
Ha
He's been around a while. He knows how to. But I just read what they said on live YouTube here, so everyone knows what the comment was, which is exactly what I didn't want to happen. 10 viewers in here still. We're still going. You know, if we could get up to 20 or 25 viewers right now, I would love to just keep going, keep talking to you guys about motivation. But I don't think that's going to happen. I think. All right. Let's get the heck out of here.
Peace out.